For your sky replacement process, if you want to use your own sky photo instead of one that's provided in Photoshop, here's how you do it. With your original image, the one for which you want to replace the sky, go to Edit, Sky Replacement. This brings up the sky replacement dialog that we've seen in class. This drop down here at the top lets you choose skies that Adobe has provided. But if you click on this little plus sign down here at the bottom of these thumbnails, this will allow you to choose your own sky picture. So if you have your sky picture saved someplace like this one here, make sure you have it someplace where you know you can find it. Click that plus sign and then choose your sky photo. Click Open, and that will add your sky to the library for sky replacement, and it will drop it in there. You can, of course, move it around, do whatever you need to do to make it work.